Today I'll be installing a J&L oil catch can in the 2024 Silverado 2500 HD that has the 6.6 gas engine in it. The kit comes complete with what you see here, and it's a very quick and simple install. I'll give you a little history on these catch cans and why you'd want one. Today's engines have a positive crankcase ventilation system, which helps circulate some of the unburnt gases that occur in your engine back into the intake so that they can be burned again in the combustion chamber. The bad thing about that is, in most of today's modern engines that have direct injection, you lose all of the detergent abilities of gasoline to clean off the back of your valve, because gasoline is placed directly into the combustion chamber. So as those gases recirculate and go back in, they will collect gunk onto the back of the valve, which over time can cause serious damage to your engine. So this oil catch can catches the vapors coming out of the PCV valve and separates the oil out so that you can throw it out. Since I want this engine to last a long time, I will be putting this system in. Truck only has about 2,300 miles on it right now. I'll be driving 700 miles this week, roughly, and I'll give it a look to see what all is collected in just a short amount of time. So stick around, I'll put it in. Super simple install with minimal tools required. Hang on. The first step is to remove this hose here, and there's a connection here on your valve cover and way up under the air box there, which you do not have to remove, is the other connector. The J&L system has the same OE style connectors on them, which is just, you can see right there, there's a on this side there's a gray button that you push and it just releases. That's all there is to it. Next, using where your secondary battery would go, use the stanchion and the supplied bolt to put that on. And if you do have the secondary battery, you can just reuse the bolt that came in here. Put this on and tightened up. Just a simple tighten down. Don't want to over tighten it. You don't want to bend your battery stand here. Next, you'll want to take the unit, line up the labels, and install it with the supplied screws. Tighten those down, simple Phillips screwdriver. And next, before you install the connectors, I've already oiled these up. I've placed some Vaseline in there just so that they slide on real easily. The O side goes to the valve cover side. Press it down until it clicks, and then the C side goes back under here, and again press it until it clicks. We're set. So now I'll drive it this week and we'll check out the results. Okay, so we have 700 miles on this. Let's take a look at what 700 miles in the spring, I guess. What kind of results we get in the catch can. Wow. Let's see here. Huh. There's a little, if you take a look down there in the bottom, there is a little fluid in there. So depending on the time of year, I hear it can be a little more. Yeah, it smells like gasoline. So I'm gonna clean that out and reinstall the can. Thanks for watching.